It just feels wrong to say that you can plug a controller in the weighing scale. Is it too weird or is it just what we needed? This just might be the most genius health gadget I have seen in a long time. Alright, guys, let's talk about something we all dread, stepping on that weighing scale. You know that feeling. You take a deep breath, step on it, and brace yourself for the number to pop up. But what if I told you that you could make this whole experience more fun? Sounds crazy, but Japan has finally cracked the code to make this dreadful experience into something which is more fun. Stick around because today we are going to talk about a scale that does way more than just weighing you. It lets you play King of Fighters on it. Well, it sounds crazy, but let me show you why this just might be the most genius health gadget I have seen in a long time. So made with Anita MC980A M+. Well, that's a mouthful. At first glance, yeah, it's a fancy body composition machine. It will tell you your weight, fat percentage, and muscle mass, and all that good stuff. But here's the twist. It's not just tracking your health, it's also a gaming console. Specifically, it's got the game called King of Fighters 98 built into it, which is one of the best fighting games of all time. And no, this isn't some kind of joke. I'm really serious. So why would anyone in their right mind would combine health tracking with a fighting game? Well, here's the genius of it. King of Fighters 98 is an iconic game. For anyone who grew up in the 90s or just anyone who loves retro games in general, it's a title that brings back memories. And now, every time you step on the game, you get to play a round of your favorite game while checking your weight and muscle stats. And honestly speaking, who wouldn't want that? The scale features a touchscreen display, but you can also plug in a controller for the hardcore gamers who prefer the real authentic gaming experience. It just feels wrong to say that you can plug a controller in the weighing scale. So you check your body fat, muscle gain, and bam, then suddenly you are fighting it out in the ring with Teddy Bogard or Mai Shiranui. It's the best of both worlds. And here's the kicker, it's all built into the scale. But here's a real question, why does this even make sense? Well, Tanita is onto something smart. How many of us dread stepping on the scale? How many times do you just avoid it because it feels like another chore? But if every time when you check your weight, you get to throw down in a game, you are more likely to use the scale regularly. And regular use means consistent tracking. And consistent tracking means better results. So yeah, maybe the scale does help you stay on top of your health game. And on the health side of things, the scale doesn't just stop at your body mass. It measures your muscle mass, body fat percentage, and even breaks it down by your limbs. So yeah, it's pretty advanced stuff. So while you are having fun with the game, you're also keeping track of your fitness progress. It's like having a personal trainer who just happens to be a 90s gaming legend. So here's the big question. Is it too weird or is it just what we needed? Personally speaking, I think it's an excellent move. If you're someone who struggles to stay up to date and consistent on your health tracking, why not add a little fun into it with the King of Fighters at your fingertips? And this way, getting onto the scale might be actually something you look up to and look forward to in the future. And Tanita didn't just stop at the weighing scales, they also got pedometers and thermometers with the King of Fighters branding. So, if you want to make your whole wellness routine a bit more exciting, you can grab these two, combining gaming nostalgia with health tech. And honestly, I'm all for it. Alright, what do you think? Would you step on the scale more regularly if you could play your favorite games on it? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoy this wild and weird news from Japan, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for more such intriguing news from the world of anime and Japan. And with that, I'll be signing off. Catch you in the next one. Take care. Peace.